Hey Leo, it's your girl Tarot Card Bay, and I am here to do your love reading for May. We're going to take a look at the overall energy, see how your person feels about you, and some advice. Feel free to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Check me out on Instagram. Check me out on TikTok. If you're interested in a personal reading, feel free to email me. tarotcardbay@gmail.com. So let's jump in, Leo. Let's pull 3 cards for your overall energy. Three cards for your overall energy. We're starting off with the 6 of Swords. Definitely looking for peace in your current energy and success. 6 of Wands. You're trying to find a place that is successful for you, where you can be victorious. Kind of like what does the world have in store for you? In the Star card. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but of course, again, this is kind of like this daydreaming energy, this feeling of really wanting peace, victory, and really leaning on the divine while you're doing some healing. Could also be asking the divine, God, whoever you believe in, to give you guidance as far as what your future will actually look like. All right, so what about love? Who's coming towards Leo in love? Got the 9 of Cups. Could be dealing with a water sign. That is Pisces, Cancer, and Scorpio. Got the 8 of Wands. So either currently or in your future, as far as what's coming towards you, it's going to be a lot of passionate communication. I'm getting a strong sense that this is a reconciliation. That 9 of Cups in this deck, which is Tarot of the Divine, has 2 people in it. And it always gives me this sense of nostalgia. Like when you think back, when you were holding somebody, when you were cuddling, when you were laughing and being playful. Definitely could be a person from the past. We also got this 3 of Cups energy. This is my wine and dine card. Also, strong sense of celebration of emotion. Somebody might want to take you out. They want to celebrate with you. Whoever's coming towards you, again, could be dealing with a water sign, fire sign. And then we also have air. All right, let's clarify this 9 of Cups for this person. We have the Page of Cups on the bottom of the deck, by the way. Clarify the 9 of Cups for the person who is coming towards Leo. I almost forgot who I was doing a reading for. I'm not gonna lie. 5 of Wands. Definitely someone you know. Could have been a conflict in the past, and that is why that 9 of Cups energy is kind of nostalgia, because recently you've all been fighting. Okay, what have you been fighting about? A possible third-party situation. Now, of course, this came out in who was coming towards you in their energy. And then as far as why you're fighting, 3 of Cups. So you could definitely be dealing with someone who maybe has options I'm wondering if you met this person and they were already committed. Definitely a Three of Cups energy. And with this Eight of Wands, let's clarify what is being communicated in this Eight of Wands to Leo. What is being communicated in this Eight of Wands to Leo? What is being communicated? Clarify this Eight of Wands for Leo. Clarify this Eight of Wands. Two of Pentacles. One more card to clarify this Eight of Wands of what is being communicated. Somebody has a plan. So I got the Magician. Someone is plotting, planning, strategizing. If this person juggled in the past, they have a plan that includes working together, reconciliation. However, this person could be tied to someone else. Even if they're not physically tied, they could be emotionally tied elsewhere. How does this person feel towards Leo? Again, strong water. We've had strong water so far. Look at this, Six of Cups. Before I even flipped the card over, I said strong water. Another card of nostalgia and reconciliation. How does this person feel about Leo? The Tower. Could be dealing with a Scorpio. Definitely a lot of water here, that's for sure. And that Scorpio energy as far as something crumbling down to kind of open up, to free up the ability to build a foundation somewhere else. Four of Coins. This person is afraid, I believe, of expressing emotions, but they're also not letting go. Their fear could be what is causing a possible holding back of emotions. I'm always drinking lemonade. It's crazy. Yeah, let's clarify this Four of Pentacles, or Four of Coins. Clarify the Four of Coins. We got the Wheel of Fortune and the Nine of Pentacles. This person knows that change is needed. They are holding on to you, but they are afraid because you are single. They don't know. I kind of feel like sometimes this Wheel of Fortune is like a clock for me. Like this person knows that it's time to take action because you are single. Could appear that you have a lot of suitors right now. And it's only a matter of time before you find somebody that would take your emotions away from this person or take your interest. Got the Five of Cups at the bottom, more Scorpio energy. This person is in regret. Definitely a person from the past, because you can't have a Five of Cups really about a new person unless the new person came to the table and had regret about something else that didn't involve you, which happens, but that's not this situation. Let's clarify the Tower. Justice. One more card. Clarify the Tower. And how this person feels about Leo. Nine of Wands in reverse, and don't judge me. I need to rebuy this deck, but I like it so much. It's getting raggedy. So not only, okay, so if this person is committed, there could be an end to their commitment. Definitely a change in foundation, as well as this person wants to open up to you. They want to give you some truth. We don't have the Ace of Wands here, but I would not be surprised if it came out. whatever this Tower will cause is going to cause this reaction in which this person was going to open up to you. All right. Let's see. How do you feel about this person? Leo, how do you feel about this person? Got the Strength card. Could be dealing with another Leo. Could be dealing with the Sagittarius. You're currently trying to hold back from this person. Okay, I'm going to take these Two of Cups for how you feel. You definitely feel a very strong soulmate bond. Seven of Cups. And because of lack of clarity about how this person feels, you feel like you have to keep your options open. Three of Swords. Your heartbreak. You could have experienced heartbreak from this person in the past. And I believe you're keeping your options open as a method of guarding yourself. Like not trying to put all your eggs in one basket, even though you feel this Two of Cups connection. So you know that you are strongly attached to this person, but you feel like you don't trust it. There's a lack of trust here. Clarify the Strength card for Leo and this person. Star card again. We started off with the Star. Because of how you feel about this person, Leo, you are trying to hold on. You're trying to, like, I'm getting hang in there. Like, so again, this person could be committed. You could be working, waiting for a change. This person could just be holding back emotionally. But in your feelings, you're definitely ready for a change. And we got Judgment. You're trying to call judgment on this. The Four of Swords. And the King of Swords. So again, you are blocking yourself out as a method to protect yourself because you don't know what's going to happen. You don't know how this situation is going to unfold, and a part of you feels like it is time to move away. What's in the mutual energy between Leo and this person? What is in the mutual energy for Leo and this person coming towards Leo? Mutual energy. We got the Emperor. Definitely could have some control issues on both of you guys' part. We got the Knight of Wands. You both are very conflicted. Like, I feel like the Emperor is the quintessential image of someone who has their shit together. Every part of their life is in control. But then you have this Knight of Wands energy that makes you want to rush in and talk to each other and be passionate and then go back to being control. It's kind of like it's like a hot and cold energy. Very hot and cold. How else? What else is the mutual energy between Leo and their person? Five of Wands again. Had Five of Wands in the beginning. One more card. Nine of Wands. So yeah, you guys kind of going back from being controlling your emotions to rushing in and spewing your emotions, fighting, guarding yourself. The fighting comes from the intense emotion that both of you have. And it's almost like once you become passionate, once you become vulnerable, you automatically guard yourself because it was something that was said or something that was let out that you didn't want to come out. Or you felt like it made you vulnerable, or maybe you or shared some insecurities that you have. Well, all right, so let's take a look. Future action this person is going to take towards Leo. What is the future action? We got the Queen of Cups. Expressing that emotion. Possibly letting you know that they love you unconditionally, or they have these unconditional emotions for you. I think I just cut myself with a card, but that's okay. Page of Swords. This person is watching you, Leo. They could be testing you. You could be dealing with someone who is very strategic. Again, strong Scorpio vibes, Aquarius vibes, Virgo. How else are they coming towards you? What actions they're gonna take is the Six of Coins. Cards are wild right now. And one more card for what action they're gonna take towards Leo. Try that one more time. Ace of Coins, which is the Ace of Pentacles. They want to come through with an offer. Weird thing is, we kind of picked up on this third energy, so what's going on in this third party? If there is a third party, what's going on? And of course, third party could be how they feel about work. Maybe they're working a lot. Third party, we got the Eight of Swords. This person is possibly keeping themselves bound to a relationship that does not make them happy. It's like they've created a prison within this relationship due to comfortability or familiarity. Three of Pentacles. Clearly, if we're talking about a third-party situation, there's going to be some juggling there. There could be a very strong commitment in this third-party situation. And the Chariot. Leo, I'm getting really strongly that there's some change coming. Five of Pentacles. Somebody could, if this is a third party situation, it's possible that there could be a breakup. There could be someone moving away. I didn't get the Eight of Cups, but I feel like, Leo, if you're dealing with someone, like if you are the third party, you may be getting some communication, emotional things. The person could be coming towards you because of a disconnect that they're currently experiencing in their current relationship. Like, it's like they're not coming towards you because of that. It's almost like the breakup frees them to come towards you, if that makes sense. All right, what about advice? Advice for Leo. King of Coins. Remain grounded. Be unmovable, unshakable. Do not be too much in your head or in your emotions. Be grounded. High Priestess. Getting very strongly, let this person come to you. So if this is a person in the past, you know, you can, of course, you guys could be communicated. It didn't seem like there was any blocked communication, but let that person come to you. You've given enough in this situation. Yep. 8 of Coins. You've put in the work to create manifestation, either within this situation with this person or somewhere else. Either way, you're manifesting. You're either manifesting this to end, like a breakup, or you're manifesting transformation. 2 of Wands. Yeah, you're manifesting change. Almost getting like the idea of you possibly leaving has pushed this other person in a direction to make a decision. That's what I'm getting. Yep. Decision. 2 of Swords. Leo, I'm also getting very strongly patience and divine timing. That's not something, I don't know if I ever really say divine time. I've just seen the 5 of Cups again. I don't think I ever say that, but this is a time for you to really be in your feminine energy and sit. Sit pretty. No matter if you're, you know, a man or a woman. Be in your feminine energy. You've given enough to this situation. Now it's time to receive. Let's take a look at some soulmate oracle cards for you, Leo. Let's take a look. Your dreams can come true if you have the courage to pursue them. What you want is definitely possible. So what you desire in your heart, it exists. Release your worries and receive universal abundance. Yeah, you've done everything you could do. Relinquish control, release, live your life. Okay. Harmony is pure love, for love is complete agreement. This is a great card because so much conflict came out. You definitely will have a need to get on an even playing field with this person. And also, when you're just thinking about moving forward or staying in a situation, really think about if it brings you joy. Adventure waits. Go find it. Yeah, I'm getting very strongly. This situation is inconclusive. It's unknown. But that's a part of life. That's a part of what makes it interesting. You're not going to know everything. You're not going to know how someone feels all the time. You're not going to know the steps that they're taking in the back end to communicate with you or be with you. You're not going to know what's in their brain until they open up. You know, but in the interim, you live your life and just let this naturally come together. Find peace, happiness, be grounded, and let this just evolve naturally. All right, Leo, this was a very good reading, a lot of energy. It seems like someone definitely will be opening up slowly. So keep that in mind. It might not be overnight. It might not be an overpour, but you will start to see a difference when you communicate with this person and they will open up to you. That's what the card is showing. The cards are showing in this current energy. Communication, love, possible reconciliation. So I hope you enjoyed your reading. Of course, feel free to like, comment, share, subscribe. Take a look at me on TikTok, Instagram if you're interested in a personal reading. Those come out typically within 48 hours of your request. You get the choice between a live reading or a recorded video, which I do on YouTube and send it to you privately. And during those readings, you are able to ask 3 questions. And I do kind of a free form pull the energy, give you answers that I feel like you need, or the divine is saying that you need, God is saying you need during your reading. So yeah, thank you so much.